On Lexis Plus AI, you will find over 100 presentations for you to use in your law school courses. Go to Lexis Plus AI and access Practical Guidance in the left column, then select View All next to Tools and Resources to access the presentations. Here you will find a list of the presentations in alphabetical order. Scroll through this list or use the filters in the left column to access a presentation. For example, AI in the workplace, how AI is impacting employment law. At the top of the page, find a link to the PowerPoint presentation. This will open within PowerPoint so you can easily modify the presentation slides or notes to customize it for your course. Going back to the page, find other curated content, including resource kits that contain other PowerPoints and videos, a rich array of curated and linked content, a classroom in a box ready for you to modify and make your own. Contact your Lexis representative to learn more.